There are various ways to earn money, depending on your skills, interests, and available resources. Here are some common methods to consider. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Employment. Get a job working for a company or organization. You can search for job opportunities in your field of expertise and apply through job portals, career websites, or by networking. When it comes to employment, there are a few key steps you can take to find job opportunities and increase your chances of getting hired. Resume/CV. Prepare a well-written resume or curriculum vitae CV that highlights your skills, qualifications, and work experience. Tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for, emphasizing relevant accomplishments and achievements. Job search. Utilize various job search resources such as online job portals, Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, company websites, and professional networking platforms. Subscribe to job alerts or join relevant professional groups to stay updated on new opportunities. Application. Follow the application instructions provided by each employer. Submit a tailored cover letter and your resume/CV, highlighting your relevant skills and experiences. Ensure that your application is error-free and professionally presented. Interview preparation. If you're selected for an interview, take the time to prepare. Research the company, understand their values, and be prepared to articulate why you're interested in the position. Practice common interview questions and consider how your skills and experiences align with the job requirements. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, and more. Online business. Start an online business or e-commerce store. This can involve selling products or services through platforms like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or even creating your own website. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or blogging. By building an audience and attracting advertisers or sponsors, you can earn money through ad revenue, brand collaborations, or viewer donations. Online surveys and tasks. Participate in online surveys or complete small tasks on websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Swagbucks. While the income may be relatively low, it can be an easy way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Renting or sharing assets. If you have assets like a spare room, car, or equipment, you can consider renting them out through platforms like Airbnb or Fat Llama. This allows you to earn money from your unused or underutilized assets. Investment and trading. If you have knowledge and experience in the financial markets, you can invest in stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, or other investment vehicles. However, be aware that investing involves risks, and it's essential to do thorough research or seek advice from financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Remember, earning money takes time, effort, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. It's important to find a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.